Did you know some districts are 10 times more crowded than others? Understanding population density isn't just stats, it's the key to smarter planning. Let's see how GIS and MAPOG work together to solve this. First, go through story.mapog.com and create a new map with proper name and description. I started by uploading a state-level vector file using the Upload Vector File of Add Upload Data option. Each district included its population data. Then, using MAPOG Style Editor, I picked Quantity Style to bring that data to life. I simply chose population as the attribute. Adjusted the color gradient. Set the number of categories. Tweaked the opacity. And just like that, districts light up based on density. Why does this matter? Because whether you're an urban planner, health analyst, educator, or NGO, these maps turn raw data into real decisions. With just a few clicks, MAPOG made my project not only accurate but also shareable. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.